Hey guys, Casey here with VanTripping.com and Mountain Bluebird. I am going to show you a new upgrade that I'm very much excited for, and I think it's going to kind of create several enhancements. So one is, as you can see from my floor here, I had a full commercial grade vinyl flooring installed from side to side of the van all the way to the very back. It's fully glued down to the factory subfloor. And as you can see, I have all my cabinetry, all is on top of that. There are only penetrations through this, only where the cabinetry attaches to the factory frame tie-down points. Now, what's wrong with this? Absolutely nothing. It works great. It's fully watertight. I've got a really nice step here I'll show you with a nice kind of aluminum trim sheet trim that I have, which was intentional to not just give it durability and strength, but also because I have my pass-through for my wires that goes up to my front passenger seat pedestal and then across the driver's seat pedestal to connect into factory wiring. That's all here inside of this. I've got some nice lighting underneath that too. Here, I'll show you. See that? Isn't that pretty sweet? So when you want a little light on the step here, everything is very well insulated under the floor. I have 3/8 inch heavy duty foam between all the ribs, cut specifically to the size of all the ribs. And then I also have another 3/8 sheet over on top of that. That definitely helps. But I do a fair amount of camping in pretty cold weather, and it still is a little bit cold on the feet when walking around barefoot, which I know is a little extreme. And I, anyways, I do worry, like what happens, if I drop a knife or something in here when I'm doing some cooking in here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and install something that I found. I think it's going to be pretty sweet. It's basically going to be call it a hardwood floor look flooring that's foam. And so it's going to be durable. It's going to be durable. It's going to protect it. I can still brush and shake this out like a rug if I need to, but it'll be pretty locked in. I'm going to cut it to fit. This I could get in 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch thick. I only got it in 3/8 inch thick, even though you can see here in all my cabinetry, I have a 1 inch height here all around my cabinetry. That was intentional, so that if any water or dirt or whatever gets down there, or if I wanted to throw a full carpet down here, which I had a carpet at the entrance, that would all essentially not get into the, hurt anything in the cabinetry. It's all elevated above that. And so even though my door, all my cabinetry hardware, my door faces, everything is plastic, drawers are still wood. And so there's still, a little bit of things in here that could get damage if water really, ever leaked there, but that's never happened. And anyways, I thought this nice foam would give a nice wood look, and that might also line up nicely with my my kitchen counter, and to highlight that, but also just give a little more comfort, a little more cush, a little more insulation, and help protect this wonderful commercial grade one sheet of vinyl, but kind of give it hopefully a little bit easier to keep clean and stuff. So anyways, we're gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna show you what we got going on here when it's done.